Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up theater mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. First we need to go to modes and routines in our settings menu, modes and routines, and here we have our default theater mode. To customize it we have to go here, and as you can see from this little information up here, theater mode will turn off. After the time you set has passed, you can also turn it off manually at any time. So let's set up our time, whatever we need. Next, and here we have do not disturb in theater. It's a good idea. Calls and messages, no thank you. Notifications, not allowed. We can also customize it further by tapping these options here. Next, and we can choose dark mode. Yes. We can also customize sound, volume. Don't forget to always confirm our choices. Done. And now our theater mode is set up. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.